Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a floating project in Todoist. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to Todoist.com and log in to your Todoist account. Once inside the main dashboard, simply hover your mouse on the left panel and go to My Projects. From here, we're going to click on this plus button and then we're going to add project. Now, let's type in floating project. While we're doing this, what is a floating project? A floating project is a task which doesn't have a deadline. It means you have the freedom to do it whenever you can or whenever you want to. So, once you choose a name, choose a color for better visibility, and then click on Add. Now, you should see your new project right here. Now, when we add a task, let's be specific. Let's say, make a Todoist account. After that, we won't set a date. We only set a description. And we won't set a priority, which means whenever I have time or whenever I want to do it, I can do it. But there would be no restrictions on when and where I should do this task. So once done, click on Add Task. And that's it. We now have a floating project on Todoist. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!